What can you do with a GPU that costs $8? This is an ATI Radeon HD 7450 with 1GB of DDR3 RAM. It won't play GTA 5 or even Roblox probably for that matter. On the other hand, this PC only costs $1 and it's a HP DC7800. And it only has 3 GHz dual core and 4 gigs of RAM. If you're like me and you have emulators and ROMs everywhere on your computer, well, you need to check this little cool tool out. It's called Launchbox. It helps you keep it all together, organized, and even downloads metadata for you. You can play thousands of games cheap. Yes, even you, sir. Oh, hey, hi. Haven't seen you before. Hey, welcome to the channel. This is... This is not a tutorial, just a helpful guide to get you started. There are lots of easy guides, I think even attached to the bottom of the download page there is, in the description for Launchbox, but you can just Google it, it's easy to find. There you'll find all the info you need to get going, even if you're currently using a RetroArch, which I know a lot of you guys are. You can use this beautiful, helpful interface, plus, utilize all the metadata download tools with the box art and all that. But keep in mind, this does not replace your emulators. It's only a shortcut to your existing emulator and game. But, not to fear if you don't have the latest revision of your favorite emulator. During setup, Launchbox provides one for you, download link. So one of the downsides I did find with the metadata and the box art was some of the PSP ROMs I had downloaded were named with PSP in front of the title. Therefore, nothing would come up for them. But it's all I had to do is delete the text in front of the title, and I was up and running. Anyways, friends, this is basically a $9 PC playing some ROMs with some nice quality, so let's check some out, okay? Wow, this is a freaking blast. I can't believe how far emulators have come. Oh, that poor HD 7450, he is maxed out in the overclock department, but besides a little screen tearing, he's holding steady. Anyways, I do appreciate you for being here and would love to read stories about your setup. So stop by the comment section and do share this video. So, until the next time, fellas, here's me and Mr. Kobe Bryant. I pulled him out of retirement just to see if he's still awesome.